Here's the question right here in front of us. How do I create an underline in the form of a gray line in the center of a line on an answer or a post on Quora? I've always used one character. Then I read that some other people using other characters and it works. And then I did some research and I found 5 different characters that can get you that underline. But my answer is the easiest because it's one key. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I can do 3 negatives. 3 negatives. Just hit 3 negatives and hit enter. But you know what? I can also hit 3 equal signs and get the same results. By the way, can I do a mixture? Boom! I can do a mixture, look at negative, equal, negative, equal, negative, equal, and I get the same result. Or I can do shift and hit the plus and get the same results. I can do the shift and hit the underscore and get the same result. And I can do shift and 8 and get the same result. The dollar signs, the ampersand, I didn't try that. Nope. Caret up, it's called a caret. The percent, nothing. Let's go with the dollar sign, nothing. Let's do the pound symbol, nothing. Bottom line, you can get that vertical bar, that gray line in the middle of your text with the space above it and a space below it in a Quora post or a Quora answer if you use any of these 5 keys. The negative, the equal, the underscore, the plus, and the asterisk, which is the shift 8. By the way, for me, there's nothing easier than just simply hitting 3 negatives or 3 equal sign, hit enter, and keep moving forward. Have a great day.